Paragraph second. The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. In its report, it defined the idea as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. That is, without stripping the natural world of resources future generations would need. In the zoo at Lusaka, Zambia, there is a case where the notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. Inside the case, there is no animal but a mirror where you see yourself. Thanks to the efforts of a number of agencies in different countries, a new awareness has now dawned upon the most dangerous animal in the world. He has realized the wisdom of shifting from a system based on domination to one based on partnership. Scientists have catalogued about 1.4 million living species with which mankind shares the earth. Estimates vary widely as regards the still uncatalogued living species. Biologists reckon that about 3 to 100 million or other living species still languish unnamed in ignominious darkness. Students, see the paragraph, though this part of the paragraph contains three small paragraphs, I have made join I have made them join into one paragraph for the convenience of the video, and within this reading there may be some words need to be explained by me. See some difficult words, and the remaining words, if you feel problem, you can ask me on the particular day, that is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, now see some words. Sustain means to make something continue, to exist over a period of time. This is called sustain. Sustainability means how long someone or something continue or exist. This is called sustainability. It may be a machine, mobile phone or any gadget also. Here let I use this word. The teacher tried hard. The teacher tried hard to sustain the children's interest. Okay? The teacher tried hard to sustain the children's interest. Next word, next meaning of this word sustain, to give strength, to stay strong or hopeful. A good breakfast will sustain you all morning. A good breakfast will sustain you all morning. Sustainable, that is an action or process that is sustainable, can continue or last for a long time. This is sustainable. As sustainable development, sustainable economic growth. Okay? That is, the development can continue or last by a long time. Do you understand? Sustainable development, that is, the development can continue or last by long time without harming other resources, without harming other things. Stripping, the literal meaning of strip means to lash down someone, to lash someone. But here the meaning of stripping is harming. Okay? As the development without stripping other resources, means the development without harming other resources of the earth which are necessary for the survival of all beings. Awareness, that is consciousness and understanding. Dawned upon. Dawn. Dawn means, the literal meaning of dawn is the sunlight at daybreaks. The time when the sun rises very early in the morning and there is enough light, that is dawn. Here the meaning of dawn upon means has made enlightened. Made enlightened. Right? Catalog means the one word meaning is a list. Here the literal meaning of catalog, a book of list, is a catalog means a book of list or a book containing pictures and informations about goods that you can buy. Other meaning of catalog is to give a list of all events or qualities connected with someone or something. This is catalog. Estimates. Estimates means opinions or guess. We have estimation about something. Sometimes we make estimate of the expenditure, what will be before before the time of wedding, before the time of an event, or if we have project, to finalize that project we estimate the needed requirements. So here that estimate is opinion, that estimate is guess. Vary means differ. Reckon means count. Reckon means count. Languish, very good word. Languish means to be forced to stay somewhere. To be forced to stay somewhere or suffer something unpleasant for a long time. To be forced to stay somewhere or suffer something unpleasant for a long time is languish. Let us use this word in my sentence. During her illness, she languished in bed for 5 years. During her illness, she languished means she remained in bed for 5 years. Okay? Students, the meaning would be clear to you. To remain in an unpleasant condition for a long time. During her illness, she languished in bed for 5 years. Ignominious, that is, ignominious means making you feel embarrassed. Making you feel embarrassed by something. Let us see explanation of this paragraph. The concept of sustainable development became popular by 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. In its report, the Commission defines the concept of sustainable development. It defines the idea as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs, that is, without harming the natural world of resources that future generations would need. In the Zoo of Lusaka, Zambia, very good illustrations the author has given here by giving the example of a zoo in Lusaka, and it is in Zambia. There is a case where there is a notice which warns the world's most dangerous animal. Inside the case, when you see, you find no animal but a mirror where you see yourself beneath the notice written. The author, thanks to the efforts of a number of agencies in different countries, A new understanding has enlightened the consciousness of the most dangerous animal in the world. Now, this dangerous animal has realized the wisdom of shifting from a system based on domination to one based on coordination and partnership. Scientists have enlisted about 1.4 million living species with which mankind shares the earth. Estimates and opinions of the scientists differ widely in reference of the still unlisted species. Biologists estimate that about 3 to 100 million other living species are still unlisted, that is, are still unnamed and remain to live unlisted in an embarrassed shamefulness of darkness. Students, let's proceed on the next paragraph of this lesson. Lesson 5, the alien planet, the green movement's role. Let's see its reading. One of the early international commission which dealt inter alia with the question of ecology and environment was the Branded Commission, which had a distinguished Indian as one of its members, Mr. L.K. Jha. The first Branded report raised the question: are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes, and ailing environment? Mr. Lester R. Brown, in his thoughtful book, The Global Economics Prospect, points out that the Earth's principal biological systems are four: fisheries, forests, grasslands, and croplands, and they form the foundation of the global economic system. In addition to supplying our food, these four systems provide virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetics. In large area of the world, human claims on these systems are reaching an unsustainable level, a point where their productivity is being impaired. When this happens, fisheries collapse, forests disappear, grasslands are converted into barren wastelands, and croplands deteriorate in a protein conscious and protein hungry world. Overfishing is common every day. In poor countries, local forests are being decimated in order to procure firewood for cooking. In some places, firewood has become so expensive that what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. Since the tropical forest is, in the words of Dr. Myers, the powerhouse of evolution, several species of life face extinction as a result of its destruction. Now, before the explanation of this paragraph, see some words related to it. Let I explain these words before the explanation of this paragraph. Inter alia, very good word. Inter alia means among other things. Among other questions of the world, the commission has raised this question. Okay, inter alia. As the paper discussed inter alia, political, economic and judicial issues. Okay, the paper discussed inter alia, political, economic, and judicial issues. Distinguished means a reputed person, a famous person. Scorched means burned, burned with excessive heat. This is scorched. Okay, as scorching heat of the sun, we feel that our skin is going to burn due to excess of heat of the sun. Global means worldwide. Global means on the whole globe, that is on the whole earth, means worldwide. Virtually, virtually means almost. As you might have read in earlier classes, it's virtually true means it's approximately almost, it is almost true. Virtually means almost, means approximately all. This is virtually. It is adverb and it means almost or very nearly. The building is virtually finished means the work on the building is finished. Okay. Second meaning, by the use of computer programs makes something appear to exist, though those things do not real. Those things are not real, but by use of the computer, especially in film industries or in serials, computer gives such a shape, such a trace to the programs that it appears that it would be real, and sometimes the real things start to be appear as false. For example, in the episodes of Ramayana and Mahabharata, now some episodes are related in Ramayana and Mahabharata, new Ramayana and Mahabharata, the things are so virtual, so appear that we start to feel that this should be the real image of gods and goddess. Okay, so here the meaning of virtual means almost or nearly the same. Okay, approximately all. As in the sentence I used, the building is virtually finished, means the work on the building is completed. Okay, and in use of computer programs makes something appear as real or in existence. Next word, claims. Claims means you might have heard that the person who is dead and party has claims. So here the meaning of claims means to say that something is true without having any proof. People claims that this portion of land is mine, but when we go and ask that have you got any proof, then at the time we find no proof. Claims means says that something is true without having any proof. As Anirudh claims the book belongs to him. Second meaning, to ask for something from the government, a company, etc., because you think it is your legal right to have it or it belongs to you. Next word, impaired, means to damage something or to make it weaker. Collapse. Collapse means this is the word used about a business plan, etc. The meaning of collapse means to fail suddenly or completely. The company collapsed, leaving hundreds of people out of work. The use of this word collapse means to fail completely. As the company collapsed, the company made failure, leaving hundreds of people out of work. Disappear means to meet extinction. Disappear means to meet extinction. Barren or wastelands means unfertile deserts. Deteriorate means decline, to become worse. Deteriorate means to decline or to become worse. Conscious means noticing or aware of. She didn't seem conscious of the danger, or because suddenly became conscious that someone was following him. Decimate, very good word. Decimate means to kill large number of animals, plants or people in particular area is called decimate. Okay, as the English reached on American continent and they decimated the large number of red Indians on that continent who were tribes. So here the meaning of decimate means to kill large number of animals, plants or people in a particular area. As the rabbit population was decimated by the disease. Okay, the rabbit population was decimated by the disease. Now let us see the explanation of this paragraph. As the first Branded report raised the question, are we to leave our successors a scarce planet of advancing deserts? Is a fundamental question of every thoughtful mind. Above mentioned question belongs to one of the early international commissions which dealt with the question of ecology and environment along with the other questions. The name of this commission was Branded Commission, which had a reputed Indian as one of its members, Mr. L.K. Jha. The first Branded report asked the questions from the worldwide people whether we are to leave a hot planet for our sons and daughters with growing deserts, poor landscape and ailing environment. This is the questions read by this person. Mr. Lester Brown, Mr. Lesser or Lester Brown points out the Earth principal biological systems in his thoughtful book, The Global Economic Prospect. They are, as Mr. Lester R. Brown points out the Earth's principal biological systems in his thoughtful book named The Global Economic Prospect. According to this book, those prospects are fisheries, the water bodies. Fishes means the water bodies where the fish are cropped are found in plenty. Forest, the home of timber, herbal medicines and wild animals. Grasslands and croplands. Croplands, the land of agriculture. Grassland, the land of the variety of wild animals. These four earth principal biological systems form the foundation of the global economic system. In addition to the source of supplying our food, these four systems provide almost all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetics. Considering over the different species of the world, human claims their right of ownership in large areas of the world. Thus, these systems are reaching to an unsustainable level due to excessive exploitation of the resources. Due to excessive exploitation of these four life resources, fisheries, forest, grassland and croplands, they are reaching to a point where the productivity of these systems come to an end. They show no further productivity. When this happens, fisheries fail to give fish anymore. Forests come to an extinct. Grasslands are converted into an unfertile desert land, and area of the cropland becomes very less. The event of overfishing is common every day in a protein conscious and protein hungry world. These people are very conscious to have proteins. In poor countries, local forests are being cut excessively in order to get firewood for cooking food. In some places, firewood has become so expensive that what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. That is, the fuel of cooking is costly than the food being cooked in the pot. In the words of Dr. Myers, since the tropical forest is the powerhouse of evolution, many species of life are facing the problem of extinctions due to result of its destructions.